Hello, wonderful people of the internet. My name is Alexander Kwesi Amwa, and today on my channel, I'm going to take you through the installation of iLex config. So, you need the internet to do the download. You have to get onto the website of iLex config. So, open your browser and type in this address into your browser. All right. Okay, so that is it. And then here, when you come here, you will see some key features of iLex config. All right, and then this is the picture here shows the one of the roadmaps in iLex config. All right, so here you click on download. Okay, you click on download, and your download starts downloading. It seems I've already downloaded the software, so it's put into brackets 1. All right, so it's ongoing. So the total size of iLex config is 33.6 megabytes, and we have done about 25. Yeah. All right, so my file is ready. I just open it. All right, so this is the software. Let's open it. All right, so I have these installation files. Okay, so you want to read the readme first. So let's say readme. All right, so this is the readme. All right, so it says use econfig setup or setup to install the software. Okay, so where is the a config? Yeah, it's over here. All right, this is the readme is for version 1, so 1.x going. All right, okay, so we either use econfig dash setup or setup over here. Okay, let me minimize the browser. All right, okay, so next step is what install access DB engine to fix any issue with Excel file importation. So iLex config deals with importation of Excel files. So you may want to fix any issue with Excel file importation. So use this file or this application from Microsoft, which comes along with the software download to fix any issue regarding that. Okay, so done. Oh, so that's it. Very simple. All right. Okay, so I'll close this one and double click on the setup, and you see Windows protected your PC. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Okay, most of you you have this pop up. So when you do, you just click on more info. It doesn't know the publisher, and then you click on run anyways. Okay, so I have already installed iLex config, so it's saying repair iLex config or remove iLex config. So what I will do is I will just cancel it because I have it already. All right, so I'll just close this one too. All right, so after installation, you'll see these two files. So this is the executable iLex config application, and then this is the guide. All right, so you can go to guide, and then this is a tutorial for iLex config. So you can go through. It's about 68 pages. It's not that long. It doesn't include a lot of text, but it does include a lot of screenshots, and that is very helpful. Okay, so this is the the tutorials for the iLex config. So we have the introduction, we have the roles, the features. It will talk to you about all of these. Then we come to the preferences. So it has all this for you to do initial setup. And then of course we have the device configuration, and then we have the script here. After that, there is a wizard that you can use to help you with your device configuration, and then um, your script generation. Okay, all right. So after that, we have two examples in appendix A, that is device configuration example that you can try your hands on. And then we also have the script example, how to generate scripts for bulk user upload or creation in Active Directory server. All right. So when you go to the first one, you click on it, and you have this task for you to do. All right. And then this is the execution, how the system is used to how the system is used to execute this particular device configuration. And then of course you go through, and then the next one is the script generation example. So you have this task for you to do in the system. It's very simple. All right, so it says create a script from the following table shown below to create multiple users on AD, that is Active Directory. All right, so we have the execution, how the system creates or execute this task up to the end. All right, so I will close this, and then this is the actual software, and it says configure network devices and generate user creation scripts for Active Directory. So we double click on it, and then you'll need to authenticate. So provide a security code, and this software or tool is shipped with a default code 1234. So here you can either change or just go ahead and click authenticate, because the code 1234 is already here. So you can either click on change or exit or authenticate to get access to the software or tool. So we click on authenticate, and this is the software tool. All right, so you can close it here. So I'll do that again. I'll double click it. So for instance, if I want to change the code, I just click on change code, and then I'll put in, let's say, 1111. Okay, and I'll say authenticate. Authentication failed. Oh, okay, yeah, I remember. You have to put in the 1234 to authenticate you before you be able to change it. So it's authenticated. Enter new code. So the new code I'm going to enter is 1111. You can choose to use any code you want, and I'll say new code, and then say confirm. Then I'll type 1111. Okay, so confirm. It says what? Code changed successful. So it means that the code that was shipped has been changed to 1111. Okay, so I'll close it and then authenticate. It still has the 1234 there, so I need to change that to 1111, and then click on authenticate, and here we are. All right, you can also go to options and then click change app security code. Yeah, okay. All right, so we close it, So we have here security code enabled. So because I have changed the 1234, the default code that was shipped alongside with the software has been changed to 1111. The system now sees it and says security code enabled. For instance, if I change it back to 1 to 1111 and I say enter, and then change it to 1234, enter. I change it to 1234, confirm, enter. So now I have changed it. All right. I say close, and then you see. So consider changing your app security code because it's still using the 1234. All right. Okay. So we'll change it now. 1111. What? Oh, okay. So 1234. New code authenticated. So I have to change it back to 1234. Okay, 1234. Okay, so code changed successfully, and I click on close. So I've changed it back to 1234. All right, so I will use that to log in again and see 1234 is there. All right, so this is it. This is how you go onto the internet, download iLex config, carry on with the installation, and change the app code. I hope I see you in my next tutorial. Thank you very much.